Good day, everyone. Welcome to Mathematics for Young Achievers with Merivit Education Center. This series is for grade 5 and it talks about interior angles, exterior angles, and corresponding angles. Let's learn some vocabulary words. Here are some important words for this lesson. Can you say them with me? Here we go. Alternate angles. Interior angles. Exterior angles. Intersecting lines. Corresponding angles. Good job! Please say the word with me. Alternate angles. Great job! Can you read the meaning with me? Two angles not joining one another that are formed on opposite sides of a line that intersect other lines. Fantastic! Next. Please say the word with me. Interior angles. Well done! Can you read the meaning with me? Any of the four angles formed in the area between a pair of parallel lines when a third line cuts them. Excellent! Next. Please say the word with me. Exterior angles. Perfect! Can you read the meaning with me? Any of the four angles formed situated on the outside of a parallel lines when a third line cuts them. Amazing! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Intersecting lines. Good job! Can you read the meaning with me? When two or more lines cross each other in a plane is called intersecting lines. Next. Please say the word with me. Corresponding angles. Very good. Can you read the meaning with me? When two lines are crossed by another line, the angles in matching corners are called corresponding angles. Amazing! Now, it's time to apply this concept. Ready? Let's learn more about interior angles and exterior angles. When two lines are crossed by another line, it creates alternate angles. Those are interior angles and exterior angles. Let's discuss first interior angles. Any of the four angles formed in the area between a pair of parallel lines when a third line cuts them is what we call interior angles. Look at the picture. The interior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. We can name also those interior angles using those letters. Angle 1 is also called angle CMN. Angle 2 is also called angle DMN. Angle 3 is also called angle ANM. And angle 4, angle BNM. Now, Let's have exterior angles. Any of the four angles formed situated on the outside of the parallel lines when a third line cuts them is called exterior angle. Look at the picture. These are the exterior angles. Angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. Same with interior angles. We can name also these exterior angles using those letters. Angle 5 is also called angle A and V. Angle 6, angle B and V. Angle 7, angle C and P. And angle 8, angle D and P. Did you get it? Good job! Let's learn another one. Let's learn more about corresponding angles. When two lines are crossed by another line, the angles in matching corners are called corresponding angles. Look at the picture. These are the following corresponding angles. The first one, angle A and M, and angle CMP. Next, angle A and V, and angle CMN. Angle B and M, and angle DMP. Angle B and V, and angle DMN. Did you get it? Good job! Now you deserve a hug. Happy learning, students! See you on the next episode.